For the MotiveWave connection guide, connect to RTrader Pro. Regular RTrader will not work in this case. Be sure to enable Allow Plugins. It will turn yellow when enabled. Once you're connected to RTrader Pro, open MotiveWave and navigate to the top and select Configure. Then select Workspaces, New Workspace. Fill the workspace name to something you will recognize as your OneUp Trader evaluation or funded trading account. For example, OneUp Trader, and then select Add Connections. Enter the connection name and service as Rhythmic. Enter the username you received in the welcome email, the same one you used to connect to RTrader Pro. Under the Market Data drop-down menu, you will need to select RTrader Gateway. Select Test Connection. In the pop-up window, complete the following details and be sure to select Rhythmic Paper Trading. Once the test connection is complete, go to File in the top left, click Connect, and in a few moments you should be successfully connected to your OneUp Trader account with the charts and order book loading data in real time.